In this tutorial from Sofa Rehab, we will be demonstrating how to use our Essentials Leather Wash and Colour Refresher kit. The kit contains leather wash, colour refresher, cleaning sponge, 2 lint-free cloths and a pair of latex gloves. For this clean, we will also be using a cleaning brush which can be purchased separately. This is to deep clean the cracks and faded areas which are inground with dirt and grime. The colour refresher is also available to purchase separately in a range of colours. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to cover half the leather panel to show the exceptional end results which you can achieve at home. We start with the Essentials Leather Wash and spray directly onto the leather. This leather is extremely dirty, so we used the cleaning brush to gently agitate the dirt and grime. If you choose to use a cleaning brush, care is to be taken not to scrub too hard or apply too much pressure, as this will damage the leather surface. Wipe away any excess dirty cleaner and allow the leather to dry. A hairdryer can be used to speed up the drying process, however care must be taken not to overheat the leather. Once the leather is clean and dry, we then apply the colour refresher. Remember to give the bottle a really good shake before use and apply ample refresher to the lint-free cloth. Evenly wipe the colour refresher over the leather surface Allow the colour refresher to dry naturally, or again use a hairdryer to speed up the process. The first coat is not expected to give an even coverage. Additional layers will build up the colour refresher to achieve the desired finish. Once the first coat is fully dry, you can apply another coat, and this time paying particular attention to any cracks and faded areas. You will start to see an even coverage take place with the colour becoming more uniform. Again, allow this coat to fully dry. A third and final coat can be applied to give the most enriched colour. Colour refresher is not designed to fill cracks. Our Essentials Leather Repair Kit contains products specifically for that. The refresher is used to disguise the cracks and to colour them so they blend in with the surrounding leather. Our colour refresher has a built-in sealant, great adhesion properties, and is flexible, meaning it will not crack nor flake off following correct application. All our Sofa Rehab stock colours are pre-mixed and ready to ship. If you're not sure which colour you need, you can order up to 3 leather samples from our website. We've allowed the final coat to dry, and we can now remove the cover of the other half for you to clearly see the remarkable results. We now wipe over the refreshed area with a dry, clean, lint-free cloth, and you can see that the colour, once dry, does not transfer onto the cloth, nor will it onto your clothing. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to head over to sofarehab.com.au for more tutorials or a wide range of repair and maintenance products.